Oh my goodness, you all. It is an okra harvest day. I mean, I have got so many okra to pick. I just literally take scissors and cut them down below. And voila. Look at this nice okra. We love to saute them on low heat or bake on low heat because you don't want to cook all the enzymes out of your food. Just gently warmed with some like sea salt and onion powder. So yummers. Okra is so yummy and very, very good for you. And look at the beautiful yellow flower that it brings. Just gorgeous. The beautiful vegetable okra plant. Hey everyone! It's a good day here at the Troyer household.
I'm the one that gets straw.
Yeah, Trinity, tell them what you're getting ready to do.
Cut some vegetables.
Cut some vegetables. We are going to show you our okra harvest today. These plants grow so tall. You can see Trinity in front of them. They're like taller than her. And they keep growing and growing and growing like a huge bamboo stalk. Okra is an amazing vegetable, right, Trinity? Yeah, step in. Okra is a huge, huge antioxidant vegetable. It has anti-fatigue properties, so if you need energy, eat okra. Vitamin C, lots of fiber. Did you know fiber helps push out toxins out of your colon? Yes, also it is a great pregnancy food. We love okra, so delicious, and we are going to show you how we harvest our okra. Trinity, what do you have in your hand?
The scissors.
She's going to cut this beautiful okra. Good job, Trinity. Yay! Got one okra. And then next we're going to show you guys how we cook it. Let's see. Oh wow, I see a really nice one over here. Here we are in the okra patch. Oh wow, you see a beautiful, stunning okra flower. Every time you see a flower, you're guaranteed to see okra. Alright, so we have a nice one right here. Trinity, I see one right here. You should cut it. And some more back there. This beautiful okra, you guys. There's Trinity. Alright, Trinity, I see one right there underneath the flower.
Right here.
Yeah!
But
Now
it's
this
so
one
tiny.
right there, right next to it. Good job, Trinity. She's an amazing vegetable harvester. Yay! Got another okra! So beautiful. Now we've got our okra harvested, right, Trinity?
Yeah.
Yay! What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do with our okra?
We're gonna cut them.
Cut them! And look at all the okra!
That we found.
Whoa! So we are
I
gonna...
didn't know we have peppers that we
Yeah,
found.
we found peppers too in our garden. Today we are going to show you how we cut them and cook them and how we flavor
Also,
them.
There's a big one.
Yeah, nice job, Trinity. So we've got onion powder, we've got sea salt and avocado that we will flavor them with. And we will tell you more about that soon, but we're going to get cutting.
I don't like sitting down with it.
Yeah.
I just like sitting down.
All right, Chef Trinity, let's get to cutting our okra. What do you say? Yay!
A
Little knife.
Like I'm for.
So we are done chopping away and slicing our okra. Good job, Chef Trinity. Proud of you. Next, we're going to toss some avocado oil. So avocado oil, Trinity. We'll toss some avocado in there. Pour avocado in our okra. That's next. So our seasonings. We'll stick to our okra. Good job. Next, we want a few dashes of what? Sea salt. We love Redmond's Ancient Mineral Sea Salt. They say it's the best out there. We get it at Sprouts, and I'm sure you can get it online or somewhere else. Great work. And then what's next, Trinity? Is that onion powder?
Yeah. This is the whole part, and this is the spot part. See, kids?
All right. Good job, Trinity. Now you're going to take your hands and toss the okra around, right, to mix our avocado oil, sea salt. Get it all mixed really good.
It's fine.
And then we have our oven on
Uh-oh.
extremely low heat. We just want to get them warm. We do not want to cook all the enzymes out, all the nutritious value out of our okra. So we're going to bake about 250 and leave them in for about 20 minutes just so they get a little warmed and
Kids,
the
I'm
sea
messy
salt.
hands. I gotta get you.
Woohoo! So we're excited to eat our okra here in about 20 minutes. So about 20 minutes in the oven. Another way you can cook them is saute them warm on the skillet as well. Baking's always a better choice, healthier choice for us. What do you say, Chef Trinity?
It's good.
It's good. We're ready to bake in the oven. Thank you all, and we'll see you at the next healthy, helpful video. Subscribe to us if you'd like.
Bye-bye.